This is day 9 of India Coding Challenge, and today we're going to solve flood fill. There are in total 4 inputs here. We have a 2D array named image which contained integers. The 2D array image is a representation of an actual image. Two integers SR and SC representing the row and column where we have to start flood fill operation, and an integer variable color representing the color that should be filled. Let me take you to your favorite childhood application. We have a tool in Paint called fill, with the help of which we can convert the color of an object into some other color, keeping the boundaries same. Let's see in action. I'll try to convert this red circle into blue. You can see the color change operation didn't affect anything outside the boundary of this bigger circle. All other objects on our canvas are unaffected. This operation is also using flood fill algorithm. When I click the pixel within this object, which is of red color, the algorithm picked up that color and converted all the neighboring pixels into our color of choice. You might not see it very clearly, but this canvas is also a 2D array if you zoom enough. The image array is being represented as a picture, but the flood fill algorithm is actually BFS, which is breadth first search. BFS is a traversing technique in graphs, using which we can traverse the graph in a uniform span. Internally, the algorithm is treating the cells of image array as the node of the graphs. From our initial node, we are allowed to move vertically and horizontally, but not diagonally. SR and SC represent the initial cell or pixel from where the flood fill will be initiated. And color variable represents the color that we actually want to fill here. We have to convert all the cells that have an initial value of the cell that is present as SR and SC. Please note that by all cells, I mean the cells neighboring SR and SC. Let's see an example for the same. For example, this is our image array, which is a 2D array. These are a value of SRSC and color corresponding to the numbers inside the image array and the variable color. Let's assume some actual colors for these numbers. If we apply this assumption on a grid, our image would look something like this. You can see the value of SR and SC. That means we have to start the flood fill at 1,1 index, and the color we want to fill is 3, which is black. This is the 1,1 index. You can see the value at 1,1 is 1. So we have to convert all the neighboring nodes, including the same node, into our color of choice, which is 3. So this will become 3, this will become 3, this will become 3, this will become 3, this will become 3. You can see I only changed the horizontal and vertical neighbors as of now, but we have to continue this operation for the change nodes, taking them as input as well. So for this node, this will be 3, this will be 3, but this will not be 3 because the base value where we started was 1. After completing, our array would look something like this, and our image would look something like this. You can see only horizontal and vertical nodes are affected from the initial node. This cluster of 1 is still the same because though it was a neighbor of earlier one, but it was not a horizontal vertical neighbor but a diagonal neighbor.